So you have a desktop and you just bought it, but you want a strategy for when you should replace the single desktop. Pretty simple, right? But now let's make it a little harder. Let's say you've got a lot of desktops. By the way, this is covered in my book, A CEO Survival Guide to Information Technology. This can be pretty daunting, right? I mean, you don't want to just wait until they're broken or hopelessly obsolete, because by then they're already causing damage to your organization, cutting into your productivity. That's not good. So how can we get ahead of this curve? Easy. All we need are two numbers from management. I actually just want to answer two questions. One, how old should the oldest computer be? Second, what's the average price for a new computer? Often cases, it's 3 years because that's usually the default warranty for desktops. But let's say it's 5 years because we really want to hold on to the computers. It doesn't matter. And the average cost doesn't matter either. Take a look at the last few purchases you've made. Let's say that's $1,000. With those two numbers, let's take another look at our situation. The example we had, I actually threw 120 computers at you. Okay, ducks. So 120 divided by 5, 24 computers each year. So each year we're going to replace 24 computers at roughly $1,000 per, for a grand total of $24K per year. Now we've got a budget, we've got a strategy, and we can go ahead and implement it. There may be situations where we need to make exceptions, where a particular computer breaks, but we have a starting point and we have a plan. So let's take a look again at our ducks. So what we're left with is 5 groups of 24 computers for each year. We made it 3 years, it'd be 120 times 3, it'd be 3 groups of 40. So what happens if you have laptops and desktops? Break them into 2 groups, do the same exercise. It's that simple. Do you already have an equipment replacement policy in place? It's different than this? Maybe it doesn't use ducks? Let me know in the comments below. So if you're interested in learning more about IT equipment replacement policies, including servers, switches, firewalls, that kind of thing, we're actually doing a free webinar on that on November 17th, which is a Tuesday, from 2 to 2:30 p.m. Eastern. There'll be a link in the comments below.